Finally, I am posting the old desk that's been sitting in my living room on a Buy Nothing group. Hi, Samson. And adding photos to the posting. Hopefully someone can pick it up today or tomorrow. All right, now I have all this mail. I'm just trying to find my registration card because I know it's in here somewhere. Oh my God, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do at this point. The reason I have so much mail is because I handle the mail for my dad's house because I'm his caregiver. So I'm gonna spend some time opening the mail. I'm waiting to see if this lady's gonna pick up the table. I just sent her a message. I hope so. Let's see. Okay. That took less than 20 minutes. Someone's gonna come tomorrow morning and pick it up at 10 a.m. Let's see if she really does that. To be continued. I feel like I've tidied up as much as I can for now. It's not like, no, it's not perfect right now. I'm gonna do a drop off at Goodwill. Open the mail, open the mail. I am going to. I think I'm at the point where I need to set aside an entire weekend or several days to take care of the paperwork in my life and create systems and just catch up on all of the things that I'm behind on, quite honestly. It's like taxes were due and then I got sick for a week, and I feel like life moves so fast nowadays that Lord help you if you fall behind on anything, because it will pile up very quickly. And that's part of the reason why I wanted to go on this journey of living with less, of minimalism, is because I just know the less I have, the less I have to manage. And the other piece of it is just being super organized. So I'm trying to get to a place where I'm less overwhelmed and also less resistant to taking care of these things, because I know I feel better when I have a clean house and when my life is organized. And ultimately, I just want to have a sense of freedom, and I don't want to feel weighed down by excess or too much stuff. So that makes it easy for me to let go of things. Work in progress, definitely heading in the right direction. Now we are going to take a little lunch break so I can tell you about today's sponsor, HelloFresh. If you haven't tried HelloFresh yet, now is the perfect time. Their spring menu features the season's freshest flavors and includes Mediterranean recipes that are filled with fresh fruits and veggies, nuts, olive oils. Every single time I make a HelloFresh meal, I'm shocked that I'm the one who made it because it's restaurant quality. I actually think it's better than eating out or spending money on food delivery because I know exactly what's going into my meal. It saves me time, it saves me money, it saves me the stress of having to go to the grocery store, and I have a perfectly portioned meal as a delicious leftover for lunch the next day. HelloFresh is the first carbon neutral meal kit company, and nearly all packaging is recyclable. The pre-portioned ingredients means less food prep and less wasted food. If you feel ready to give them a try, go to HelloFresh.com and use code TheCarlaProject16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Make sure to use my code TheCarlaProject16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts when you go to HelloFresh.com. Thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video, and let's tidy up the kitchen. I'm really happy overall with how the closet is looking. This little organizer is something I've been neglecting. So I'm just trying to do like one little project each week to make sure that I stay on top of things like this. Because the closet looks so nice, and this is the one eyesore because I let this get out of control. So let's just straighten this up a little bit.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. I don't wanna stay with you just to have to leave if it isn't. Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you?
Hey guys, it is the next day and I am getting ready to get rid of this desk. The lady's on her way to pick it up, so that worked out well. And once that's out, I plan on going to Goodwill and dropping off that box. I didn't get that done yesterday. Just trying to get stuff out of the house.
Hi. Oh, sorry. Are you okay? Oh, I'm okay. Like, are you feel comfortable? I'm okay with anything. Yeah.
So with jaded, but let's not talk about your golden song.
Success. She was so nice. Desk is moved out of the space. So now I just need to move my standing desk into that corner. But first I'm gonna go to Goodwill while I'm in motion.
On a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long? Who's gonna save you?
Car is loaded and I'm going to go to out of the closet. It's easier for me to do a donation there. So here's what I'm donating today. The lamp that was in my bedroom. Someone may want to just fix the base because it is broken there. Lampshade's really nice though, and I'm sure someone will appreciate this. Also getting rid of 2 geostone amethyst crystals. I have so many crystals, I don't need all of the crystals in the world. So donating these. Decided to donate this. I've had this since I moved into my apartment. Leopard or tiger striped dish. Yeah, I just don't really need or want that. Okay, and then I have this bag that's been sitting in my car waiting to be dropped off. We've got Amazon Mini, cable, USB cable, an Alexa smart plug, a car phone holder, this smart plug, these cards that my friend gave me for my birthday, love oracles. They're very beautiful cards. I just don't use them ever. Someone else is going to love the love oracles. Goodbye. All right, let's go drop these off and find new homes for these items. I look like I've been through a war. Okay, I finished dropping off stuff out of the closet. Desk has been moved out of the living room. I'm done. I'm going to take the rest of the day off and get outside of my house and enjoy myself. So thanks for watching this week's video, and I'll see you next week. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys.